Welcome back. So in this video we will see how to find the solution of quadratic equations. So for that I have to add library. So I am adding library C maths for mathematical calculations. Okay, and the next step I am declaring variables. So float a, b, c, these are coefficient of quadratic equation x1 and x2. These are our solution of quadratic equation that tell us either the solution is real or imaginary. I'm also declaring discriminant that check either the solution is real or imaginary. So in the next step I'm also declaring real part as well as imaginary part. So imaginary parts, so these all declared function I have used in my program. So now I'm taking input coefficient A by user, so that's why I'm using cout enter your coefficient A. So it will print out this line. So I want to end this line, so that's why I'm using endl. It will end up this line. In the next step I'm taking input data type coefficient A. So this will take input coefficient A entered by user. So in the next step I am taking enter your coefficient B. So cout command will print this line, and in the next step I am taking C in input data type take the coefficient B as an entered by user. So that's why, so first I want to end this line, so that's why I'm using endl. So in the next I'm using C in input data type and entered by user is B. In the next step I'm taking coefficient C. So this is all the coefficient of quadratic equations. Okay, so in the next step I'm using conditions by using determinant. So determinant tells us either the solution is real or imaginary. So if the determinant is greater than 0, then its solution will be the x1 will be the minus b plus square root into determinant. So determinant is b square minus 4ac. So it is divided by 2a. So this is our x1. It will tell us the x1 solution of quadratic equations. As you know, quadratic equation has two solutions. So this is x1 and the x2 is same but only minus sign changes. So I want to make it x2. So here is x2 and the sign here is only minus. So now I want to take the roots. So I'm printing a line. Roots are real and different because the determinant is greater than 0. Next I want to print the solution of quadratic equation. X1 and x2 are a solution. So if determinant is greater than 0, then x1 is equal to x1. So it will print out x, as well as I want to also print x2. So in the next I want cout. So copy this line and paste here again and change x1 to x2, and the same I want to print x2. So this will print our both solution x1 and x2 of quadratic equation. Now we will see if the determinant is equal to 0, what will happen. So guys, remember one thing: if the determinant is equal to 0, then x1 and x2, the solution of quadratic equations, will be same, as well as their roots are real and same. So that's why I want to write here x1 is equal to minus b divided by 2a. So this is our x1. So now the roots are real as well as same. So guys, remember one thing: if the above condition is not true, then roots are complex as well as different. So guys, remember one thing: if the determinant is not equal to 0, then it will print x1 the real part as well as x2 the imaginary part. So it will separately print the imaginary part as well as real part. So now our program is approximately ready. So let's see, we have forgot to declare discriminant. So now I have to declare discriminant is equal to, so discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. So I want to write here b multiplied by b is minus 4 multiplied by AC. So this is our discriminant. Now let's run program and see the output. So now enter your coefficient A. So I want to write here 4. Enter your coefficient B. I want to write here 5 and 1. So now you can see roots are real and different. So this is our solutions of quadratic equation. So now again run the program and see the different outputs. So let enter your coefficient. So I want to write here the coefficient A is equal to, I want to write here 4, and the coefficient B is 6 and the coefficient C is 2. Now the roots are different as well as real, so the solution is minus 0.5 and minus 1. So guys, this is our solutions. So guys, if you like my video, then subscribe my channel for more such type of video. Thanks for watching.